And the probability, so main probability in the probability of an event, based on the probability of an event. Event is nothing but three things you have to remember in case of the probability. Once again, in the yesterday's class, whatever I told you, once I will recall. First, trial. Trial is nothing but an experiment. Here, experiment is nothing but not a वो chemistry में ये मिलाते हैं वो मिलाते हैं वो experiment नहीं है. In the here normally whenever trials is nothing but when you are tossing a coin, it is called one trial. When you are throwing a die, it is called one trial. And when you throw the die, what are the outcomes you are getting? Results what you are getting. Outcomes, results, whatever you are getting, that is called as outcome. So when you throw the die, the outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the outcomes. These are outcomes of that trial. So trials can be repeated number of times or number of times. So event is nothing but some outcomes together will be taken as one event. Some outcomes of a trial. एक ट्रायल का सम आउटकम्स हम लोग ले लिए तो वो भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. So when you are doing any trial, any experiment, that tossing a coin or throwing a die whenever you are taking, yet event can be taken as getting an even number, getting an odd number, getting a prime number, getting a number less than 4, getting a number greater than 2. Like that, some events can be created. So probability of an event is nothing but, so what are the items which are favorable to that means that event in that trial by total number of the outcomes. That should be taken into consideration. Based on this only, probability of any event will be calculated. So the first question is given to you in this. In a cricket match, the batswoman hits a boundary 6 times out of the 30 balls she played. She hits the boundary 6 times out of 30 balls she played. So total number of the balls she played is 30. And boundary kitna balls she will hit? 6. So find the probability that she did not hit the boundary. So E is an event of she did not hit the boundary. So 6 times she hit the boundary and the remaining 30 में 6 subtract करो 24 times she did not hit the boundary. So then the probability of that event E is equals to इतना ही है. डायरेक्ट आंसर लिख सकते हैं ना, इसको एक्सप्लेन भी कर सकते हैं. देखिए, yes, you can write it. Let E is the event that batswoman. What is the question given? Did not hit the boundary. Did not hit. Sorry. Did not hit the boundary. Like this, you can write. So number of E, N of E represented. N of E is nothing but number of balls she did not hit the boundary. Number of balls she did not hit boundary is equals to 30 minus 6, which is equals to 24. इससे पहले आप total number of balls she played पहले भी लिख सकते हैं, वो भी total number of balls she played is equals to 30. And इसके बाद number of balls she hit boundary, which is equals to 6. Number of oh sorry hit. Okay. Therefore, now probability of E, probability of event E. E already we have said that she did not hit the boundary. So number of balls she did not hit the boundary by total number of balls played. Number of balls she did not hit the boundary by total number of balls she played, which is equals to 24 by 30, which is equals to 6 4s are 6 5 which is equals to 4 by 5, and this number is always less than 1. Proper fraction होगा, numerator will be less than the denominator, and he never be negative नहीं हो, 0 से probability rule, वही rule है, probability represents that any number. See here, आपको कुछ भी है, गेम खेल रहे 30 balls बोला है, तो नीचे नंबर कंपलसरी ग्रेटर देन द ओवर, उतना ही बॉल्स प्ले कर लिया, और वॉट एवर इट मे बी द ट्रायल, वॉट एवर इट मे बी द ट्रायल, ट्रायल में भी एनी टाइप ऑफ द ट्रायल. आप लोग एक बैग में कुछ बॉल्स में कुछ बॉल्स है, टोटल नंबर ऑफ द बॉल्स आर 150 बॉल्स, उसमें से रेड बॉल्स इतना है, ब्लू बॉल्स इतना है, ग्रीन बॉल्स इतना है बोलते हैं. व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ टेकिंग ए, व्हेन यू टेक वन बॉल फ्रॉम रैंडमली फ्रॉम द बैग, रेड बॉल आने का प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है बोलते हैं, रेड कितना है, कम होगा टोटल नंबर से, सो न्यूमरेटर इज लेस देन द डिनोमिनेटर होगा. ये बात थोड़ा सा आप जानना. रिमेनिंग ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स विल बी लाइक द नोट्स. आप ओरली बोल सकते हैं ऑल द क्वेश्चंस यू कैन से ओरली. सेकंड क्वेश्चन देखो, 1500 families with the 2 children were selected randomly. मीन्स 2 चिल्ड्रन किस किस फैमिली में है, ऐसा 1500 families were selected, and the following data is recorded. Number of the girls in the family, 2 girls, number of the families, 2 girls family में कितना लोग है, number of the girls in the family, 2 girls 475 families में है, and single girl 814 families में है, and no girl 211 families में है. So now what is the probability family chosen at random having 2 girls? 2 girls होने का probability बोले तो 2 girls होने का probability मीन्स इसमें total number of the families कितना है, ये दोनों का तीनों का ऐड कर लिया तो ऑलरेडी इट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, ऐड करने की जरूरत नहीं, थोड़ा सोच लो. क्वेश्चन में दे दिया 1500 फैमिलीज, ये तीनों का ऐड कर दिया तो 1500 आ जाए, ये तीनों का ऐड कर ले तो 1500 आ जाएगा. सो 2 गर्ल्स compute the probability of a family chosen at random having 2 girls. 2 girls होने का probability कितना है बोले तो 475. हाँ 211 है ना, टेक्स्ट बुक में देखो 211. तो 2 गर्ल्स कितना फैमिलीज में है, 475 बाई 1500. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सिंगल गर्ल 814 फैमिलीज में है, 814 बाई 1500. Only no girl. The question may be asked to you the number of families. Find the probability. I may ask the question to you in another way. Find the probability of a family chosen at random having 2 boys. लास्ट क्वेश्चन को चेंज कर, 2 boys मींस 2 चिल्ड्रंस का ही हम लोग डाटा कलेक्ट कर लिया. ये दिस इज द डाटा अबाउट द 2 चिल्ड्रन. सो 2 चिल्ड्रन किस किस फैमिलीज है वही फैमिलीज को चूज कर लिया. 2 का 2 बॉयज बोले तो नो गर्ल्स है, so same question can be created like that also. So sir, अरे ये क्या है, question is probability of a family that was chosen at random having no girls बोल रहा हूँ, no girls, girls नहीं है, 0 girls का डाटा दे दिया है टेबलर फॉर्म में. that is 211 families. 211 families में no girl is there, that is nothing but 2 boys only there. 2 boys. Suppose question is asking that इंस्टेड ऑफ हियर 2 गर्ल्स पूछ रहे हैं ना, वो गर्ल्स का प्लेस में मैं बॉयज लिख दिया है, देन क्या होगा, इसका आंसर सेम हो 211 बाई, हाँ गर्ल्स नहीं है तो बॉयज को. दिस इज वन क्वेश्चन. टेक्स्ट बुक दे दो, ये कवर कट हो गया, एक बुक नहीं, you sit here because power cut हो गया. हाँ. Next, third question देखो बेटा. Refer to the example number 5. Refer to the example number 5 in section 14.4. Example number 5 दे दिया है. So example number 5 is what is given to you in section chapter 14. Chapter 14 में in statistics में, chapter 14 is statistics ना. In that chapter 14.4 में example number 5 देखो. Find the probability that a student of the class born in August. So once you open the page number in the statistics में example number 5 it is given to you. मैं पेज नंबर बोल दूं. हाँ. Yes, page number 247. Bar graphs की under the bar graphs, page number 247 open कर लो. So what is the data is given in a particular section of the class 9th. 40 students were asked about the months of the birth and the following were prepared with the data so obtained. So the question is given to you in this here. Find the probability that a student of the find the probability that the student of the class was born in August. तो अगस्त में कितना लोग born हुआ है इसमें? Here as per the data 6 and total number of the students data is 40 students. The data is about the 40 students already question में दे दिया है. तो आंसर क्या होगा 6/40. Simple because it is question can be prepared in any way, so that's why it is given to you like this. And fourth question, see, 3 coins were tossed simultaneously 200 times. 3 coins were tossed simultaneously 200 times with the following frequency outcomes. Outcome is 3 times simultaneously means 2 like that. Sorry, 3 coins, 3 members man. 3 members together they tossed the coin and 3 times head आया. So like that 23 times and 2 times head, 1 time tail. 2 times head is nothing but here when simultaneously is nothing but here one after another one. So and that will be considered as a 3 times tossing is considered as a 1 event. Oh, sorry, 1 trial. Tossing the coin 3 times is considered as a 1 trial. एक ट्रायल बोलते हैं. तो here it is 3 heads 23 times आया है, 2 heads 72 times आया, 1 head 77 times आया है and no head 28 times आया. So how many times total? 200 times. It's very simple. If the 3 coins are simultaneously tossed again, compute the probability that 2 heads coming up. 2 heads coming up is nothing but 72 heads by 200. An organization is selected 2,400 families at the random and surveyed them. Determine the relationship between the income level and the number of vehicles in a family. Then information is gathered in the listed in the table. One table format में दे दिया है. Suppose if the family is chosen, find the probability that the family chosen is earning 10,000 to 13,000 rupees per month and owing exactly 2 vehicles. So how many are there? Table observe करो. इसमें table में क्या दे दिया है? इस प्रॉब्लम में like this the table is given to you. Monthly income and vehicles less than 7,000, 7,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 13,000, 13,000 to 16,000, 16,000 or more. And here having 0 vehicle, 1 vehicle, 2 vehicle and above 2. Above 2. So the data is given here 10 families, here 160 families, 25 families, 0 families, here 0, 305. Like this the data is given to you. Now want here you 10,000 to 13,000 and having 2 vehicles. So 10,000 to 13,000 having 2 vehicles means here whatever the data is given, that is 29 is given to you. And total families कितना है 2,400. So 29 by 2,400. अब ये बॉक्स में क्या क्या नंबर्स दे दिया है, सारा नंबर्स ऐड करके चेक करो 2,400 आए. Next question is earning 16,000 or more per month owing exactly 1 vehicle. इसमें तो कुछ नहीं, 16,000 above only 1 vehicle. इधर क्या नंबर दे दिया है 579. So 579 divided by 2,400 you are. All the questions are simple like that. Easily you can do it. Okay, and like the 6th question, 7th question, all the questions you go on trying the questions. What are the questions you are having a difficult, that questions we'll discuss in the next class. कर सकते हैं, इसमें दिक्कत नहीं होगा, कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं.